Okay guys, so here you can see the 14 parts we're gonna need to make the flared leg table. And what we've got here is a little bit of a variation from the blueprint. So the standard flared leg table and the steel leg picnic table both use 3x3 legs and 1x3 triangulated plate. But for this table, we're going to be using these 2x2 legs and this 1/4 inch by 6 inch plate. Looking at this outside edge right here on the long side, making sure I'm parallel to that. You won't be parallel on this edge. Here's another variation. Parts you'll need: flared leg table, 2.5 inch square, 1x3s. Instead of a triangulated, we're going to do a straight bar. Of course, we've got the capped feet. Okay, there you have it. 2 variations of the flared leg table. Well, it's not finished yet, but you know what I'm saying. We're going with this one. We're gonna get this set painted, get that tabletop finished. Yep. Okay, we're gonna let that dry and then do the clear coat. All right, I'll go get the legs. We'll get this thing put together. And we can't forget about the adjustable feet. To fasten them down, we're going to be using these 2 inch self-tapping star bit screws. Alright, now we just got to get this thing on the ground. Now that's a nice table. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back next week. We'll start on something new.